Hey y'all, welcome back to Ask GM Financial, the virtual edition. We are working remotely, but we're always here to answer your questions. And today we're talking a little bit more about lease-end and returning your leased vehicle. So I have Todd on the line to help us out. Hey Todd.
Hey Brooke.
Hey, so I have a question. When I'm returning my leased vehicle, am I required to get a pre-return inspection on that car?
I can definitely help you out with the pre-term inspection. So GM Financial provides lease customers the opportunity to schedule a pre-term inspection prior to turning in their vehicle. So this service is offered at no charge as a customer courtesy to allow the customers to repair potential excess wear prior to turning in their vehicle.
Okay, so I don't have to do the GM Financial pre-inspection. So what they offer is just a courtesy. But if I decide not to do it, then GM Financial will inspect the car on its own after it's turned in.
Right. So if you decide not to opt into the pre-term inspection, you can turn your vehicle in, and an auto vending representative will inspect the vehicle and let GM Financial know if there's any excess wear. After you turn it in, if there's any excess wear, you won't be able to repair or have the repair shop of your choice repair the vehicle, because GM Financial will have the necessary repairs completed, and you will be notified of the cost within the end of term lease liability letter.
Okay, so if I do not do the courtesy inspection, I turn it in and there is excess wear and tear, then GM Financial will send me those charges in my lease liability letter.
Correct.
Okay, I think I got it.
And then just additionally, you can find more details about wear and use in your lease-in guide or on the leasing section of gmfinancial.com.
Okay. Well, that sounds easy enough. Thank you, Todd.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. So like Todd said, when you're turning in your leased vehicle, GM Financial does offer a free courtesy inspection. And if you decide not to do that, then your car will still be inspected after you turn it in. I hope that cleared some stuff up. And if you have any other questions, like Todd said, just reach out to our team. And we'll be back next Monday with some more answers. So click the subscribe button, click the bell, don't miss a thing, and we will talk to you soon.